Hey guys, Candida here. Check out this Easton Game Ready equipment bag. I love the fact that it holds a lot of equipment so we can keep it all in one place, and it helps us stay organized. So when we unzip it, you can see here in the middle, we're able to have a fielder's mask, a glove, as well as a batting helmet. And so all of that fits nice and snug right in the middle of the bag. Not only that, we are able to have our bat and a drink with us as well. My daughter's had this Easton equipment bag for a few years now, and it's held up really well. So on the side, that's where we put a drink, and we are able to put our bat on the other side. This bag also comes with a clip, and so we are able to hang the bag right onto the fence, and so that way it keeps it out of the dirt, and she's able to reach in and grab all of the things that she needs when she's ready. So I hope you found this review helpful.